way, guys. Trying to get these stuff out the gang. Trying to chop this.
Chopping with the axe?
This is not an axe, it's a saw. The axe is right under your feet. Put up. The first tree, now we're gonna do the second one.
See how I did that quick and fast. In the bottom cut, you come up at an angle. You don't just slice two holes.
Yeah. It's already pinching the saw, guys. Alright, when the saw's being pinched, that means move back. Oh, see how it's going sideways? Oh, see, this is why you don't do, because it might.
You don't do what? You didn't fully explain it.
This is why you don't, if you let go in the tree. That's hinge wood. But you saw I fell back and I wanted to fall this way.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I shouldn't have let go. That's why you cut in the tree. Don't let go, because it might fall back where you don't want it to go. Like, you see how that fell back that way? And look,
Or
that
use
broke.
wedges.
Snap that tree. But yeah, I'm gonna take this back and cut this one. Then we're gonna cut that one. I'm pretty sure that one, since it's single. All right, move out the way. Oh, the tree's single. It doesn't have a girl. I just killed a couple with the kids and family. I'm just kidding.
What is your purpose of cutting down these trees?
You trying to? The purpose is to teach you how to do hinge wood.
The purpose is to teach you how to do hinge
Right
wood.
way how to cut.
And the right way how to cut
Tree.
the tree. You giving them lots of examples here.
Alright.
Giving them lots of examples, you know.
So yeah. So where's my stuff? Look, that broke. And it fell too. Hurricane just broke it. And I cut this tree right here, the stump, earlier today. So look, guys. This is my 2 hinges wood. This first hinge, the second hinge, it's gonna be the third hinge. So yeah. And let me move out the way real quick. Look how I split that so easy. That shows how weak the wood is. So I'm just gonna chop this stupid thing. There we go. So yeah, so trying to just stick it on there like that. It don't matter. So we need to get this limb. The limb broke up there, you can see. But it snapped because it was no holding wood. Because that limb had no wood. Like, look at that. See, this is why trees that have like this, when they snap, they, you know, you see how it's all on the inside and they mostly rot. So, yeah. Right, this, you see that snap. So there's this another tree that snapped, but I'm good. I don't like that.
Mosquito.
Okay. See the undercut. I'm a little bit far there. Move out the way. There we go. Look, you see this hinge too. A little bit right there. So, yeah. Let's go over there and cut that one. So all 3 stumps cut. And now we're gonna cut this tree. Right here. So like, hold up, I'm about to, like, you see how fast that cut, guys? I don't know if this is the quick cut Corona or the pruning saw. It's the pruning saw, but I use it. But like, I'm about to cut another branch. Show you how fast it goes, and I'm gonna count. So this branch right here is about an inch long. So let's see. Which one? Now let's do this one. So look, these, by the way, you can split easily. So, but this is a berry tree. Berry tree would hurt, so that's not a comfortable position. No, I'm just gonna do it like this. You saw how fast it cut, so just get with your hand to it. Right.
Try to catch the mosquito.
Right.
You did the hinge wood that fast?
No, I'm finna do a domino effect.
Top part. Double kill.
So that's how you do a domino effect too. Look. I did a domino effect, guys.
Good job.
That was pretty cool. Alright, so you see the hinge. Come back with you later. After I'm gonna find a nice clean cut somewhere. And by the way, I'm pretty sure how fast this cut real quick. So I'm about to just count. Look at that sap. I'm about to just count. Hold up. 1 second. 1 second, man. That's just wow. Yeah, but yeah, that's how you make hinge wood. We're gonna demonstrate it again on the stump.
Why not? Because the viewers haven't really got a more close up look at how to make hinge wood. You know?
Yeah. So
just teach them step by step.
alright, so you cut about halfway through the tree. With any sharp chainsaw, bow saw, cross cut, whatever you got. And then, well, you can come with the uppercut if you want to, but I like to do the undercut because it's easier.
Sorry.
See? Alright, then you come from the back. You don't cut all the way through. You leave about like an inch or something. There you go. It's your hinge wood. And I'll demonstrate it again on this one. So you cut halfway through the tree. Make your undercut or uppercut. Dang it, keep messing up. Alright, that, and that's how you do it. And notice how they all peel. That shows how weak the wood is. So, yeah. So,
Like, subscribe, comment.
so don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification. We might cut that dead tree. Just kidding. But you know, who knows? I'm like, you don't know what kind of brain I have.
All right, well.